Hello friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I'm Meghna, an educator and a parent of two children. Today in this video, I'm going to take up the topic of personality development for preschoolers and young children. Personality development forms an integral part of early childhood care and education. We as parents invest a lot in the schooling of our children. We take all the pains to search good schools for them. But I would like to tell you that the development of personality is as crucial as searching of a good school, so that your child can reap the benefits of schooling, of education, and can be successful in life. Now, personality is very important to make your child socially presentable and socially acceptable, and it is very necessary for his success later on in life. And the foundation of personality can be laid at this time in the very early years of his childhood. Okay parents, so in this video I'm going to give you some tips, or I'm going to tell you some areas where we can develop the personality of a child. Now the first area that I feel very important is the language efficiency. It is very necessary that the child develops his language as he grows up, because it will improve his communication skills. It is very necessary to improve the language, because it will also help him to perform academically well, because he is going to understand all his subjects really very nicely. Also, language gives us the power to express our ideas well. So I feel the first area is definitely developing his language and improving the fluency of his language. The second tip from my side as parents, do encourage your child to pursue some kind of sport. Sports bring a lot of good qualities in the children. They teach them the value of discipline, dedication, and hard work. The sports also give them the opportunity to thrive in a competitive environment and to take their successes and failures with the right spirit. Sports also teaches them good teamwork. The next thing that I would like to focus on, parents, is the mannerisms and the etiquette. Make sure that your child follows proper mannerisms and etiquettes. He uses the words please and thank you off and on, greets when some visitors or some guests come in. I believe a lot in physical persona of a child. So make sure he develops the habit of cutting his nails, wearing properly ironed clothes, keeping his hair neat and clean. So these are little things that do make a difference and make your child completely lovable. The next thing is that give your child some kind of decision making activities, which will develop a lot of confidence in him, and later on in life also he would be able to take his decisions nicely. I'm not saying that let him take too much of decisions, but for simply if you are going to a party, and let him suggest a dress for himself. So these little things will get incorporated in his personality, and he will become a more confident person. The next thing that I would like to bring to your notice, parents, is that make your child aware of the situations around him. Develop his observation. We cannot bring up a child in complete isolation. So make him aware of little issues like climate change, forestation and all, so that he can become an aware citizen and can make a difference to the society. Okay guys, these I think were the basic areas where we need to develop for a strong personality of your child. But there are two things that I would like to bring to your notice. Please refrain from criticism. Don't criticize your child or compare him with other children. That may become an obstruction in the development of his personality. Every child is born with his own gifts, his own nature. Try to build upon his positive points, keep up positivity around him, and always try to encourage him and be a support system in whatever he pursues in life. I think these tips will going to make a difference for you and your child. For more such fun based educational videos, please subscribe Orange Blast. You also subscribe my website www.orangeblast.com, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much.